Oh, so does anyone know why Woody called us all here? No. I feel like it must be important if Isabel's here. Really? Well, you're here. Usually you're not. Usually you're out busy doing stuff on your island. Or just not hanging out. Oh, well, I am a busy one. I barely get holidays sometimes. Well, what can this meeting be about? I don't know. This is also sudden. I bet something personal might have happened. But what could have happened? Sit there, Mario. Gary. We're missing one. What are we missing? Hey, sorry I'm late. Oh. Alright. I'm pretty sure I know you're all thinking why you're all here. Especially Isabel. Yeah. Well, after many weeks of trying to search for social distancing monkey and not finding any luck, we may have to presume he's lost or dead. And we all know we do not want him dead. We all just gotta hope for fuck's sake he's not dead. Yeah, he was the first of the social distancing monkey. I can't remember what number I am, like 62, 61, 49. Oh. Without him to help me remember, I won't remember. Oh, we can try to help with that. Just gotta go back and look through old videos. He was an odd one, he was, but then he somehow became friends. Yeah, I don't know how the hell that happened. Maybe because he's funny. Yeah. And that's why I really hope he's not dead. He gives us a good laugh. I'm not trying to say you don't. No offense. None taken from your offense. That could be offense, or don't know. Well, I'm calling off the search on social distancing monkey. Because who knows? If we keep searching, we may never find him. Let's wait until he comes to us. That's a good idea. Yeah, let him come to us if he's still out there. But where would he be? We don't know. Well, last time we saw him, we were in the other universe. Yeah, the one with Eggman, and that's where we stopped Toad as well. Hey! Hey, sorry. Why is our throat so sore? Got a bit of a weird sore throat. I don't know. Hey. Man, I don't want him dead. I want him to be found. We all do. But we just have to wait and see. Yeah. I wonder where he ran off to. I still feel like he's in the other universe. He's gotta be. I mean, if he's not anywhere in the neighborhood or beyond, even though we don't ever go beyond the neighborhood, unless we must, which would be usually at the shops, movies, all that. Oh yeah, but what time is it? Oh, it is 12:19. But yeah, I don't like going beyond the neighborhood sometimes. Some of the people there are just stupidly crazy and also weird, and I just don't trust it. Really? Ugh. Well, I don't think he would be beyond the neighborhood. He doesn't go beyond it just as much as we don't. You're right. So, I propose he's still in the other universe somewhere. Possibly. So how do we get there? Well, for some reason, communication's been blocked there. It's been blocked in some other universes too, like Cameron's universe, that other universe I can't remember the name of. Uh-oh. Alright, sneeze. Never mind, we're good. Phew. Never mind, we're not good. Ugh. Oh, that's not good. Oh. So, if we can't get to the other universe, how is social distancing monkey getting along with the other guys? I don't know. Guess we're gonna have to find out. Now, Isabel. yeah? Ugh. I need you to try to do something for me. Yeah? I need you to do your absolute very best to try to communicate with the other universe, no matter what. I will do my very best. Thanks, Isabel. Look, so this social distancing monkey, is a good friend? Yes. Yeah, he's my cousin. Yeah. At first he was just a weird guy, but then all of a sudden we were friends with him. But now we worry for him more than ever. I see. Well, I hope I get to meet him someday. We hope so too. By the way, you said a little while ago, Shadow the Hedgehog could possibly join us. Yes, that's what I've been hearing. Huh. So that one Shadow Plush that we found, it could be him. Oh, I kinda hope so. I'm kinda hoping for Princess Peach. Me too. Me too. Well, what are you guys up to? Well, we're discussing about social distancing, Monkey, because we worry for him and we think he's in the other universe. I see. Oh, Gary. Sorry. Alright, so, what should we do at the moment? Well, I think we should just end the video here and then continue a little later and see what we can come up with. Alright. Where are we? Hello? Yeah, I remember this birdie. Oh, this was a funny one. Come on. Yeah. I love these birdies. What's this one? I don't know. Hello, Mr. Walkie. Hello. No? Okay. How about you? Oh. He wants some attention. Hello? 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 What are you doing? You doing that to my head? No? I would like to... Oh, hello. You want to kiss? No? Okay. Who would you like to kiss? I love you. I want to call you Gerald. Gerald. Can I have a kiss on my hand? Did you kiss? Kiss? No kiss? Oh, you want big kiss. You trying to get my thing on the back of my phone? Oh man, I'm having a great time. And aren't you so kind? Hello. Oh, how about me? Oh my god, I'm getting kisses.
Say, you want to be my deputy?
Oh,
It'll be great.
I guess it didn't like my button. Don't chew the phone case. No, don't do that. No. A kiss? Yay! Isn't that nice? No, don't do that. No, don't do that, little buddy. You're funny. Hey, kiss? Oh, oh god. bird tongue feels funny. Look at you, you're so cute. How can people not like lorikeets? Can you do the thing again? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, there you go. That's a good boy. Hey, what? 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 You want so much attention. Can you just tell me to fuck off? Huh. Maybe we should go do something else, guy. Yeah, I wanna go talk to Mewtwo. What are you doing? Are you okay? You're being silly. Hey! No. You okay? Say! It's enough of that! Hey! Why you chew that? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. What are you doing? Doing like you were doing something funny. You're so weird. I thought we were supposed to go back to Mewtwo and tell him stuff. At the moment, we are still stuck in. Well, I got. Hey, would you stop that? You want to tell him off? You look like an old boy. Oh, look! He's lost some feathers up at the front. Oh, he must be an old one. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Here, let's actually go up to him. Oh, hi, buddy. Hello. It's okay. Let me sit down. Stop that. What are you doing? Careful, buddy. Yes, you be careful. Hey! No, not you. No, you. You're okay. Yeah, just eat whatever's in there. What do you want? Oh, whoopsie. Sorry, you've been noisy. Hey, you two being nice? Ooh, being nice. Oh my god, that I can do that? Oh, that is so funny. POV, you are parrot. I don't actually know what this bird is. What about you? You're a lorikeet. You're like an old lorikeet. Hey! You be careful, please. You're a big bird. Yes. Oh, you are a big bird. How about this little guy? This guy's my favorite. No? How about you? You okay? Should probably get going now. Alright, whose turn is it? I believe it's Mewtwo's. So why are you playing, Isabel? I'm only playing to be the bank person because, you know, I don't trust Tom Nook sometimes. Oh, it's my turn? Alright, where's the dice? There it is. He's very old, right? Okay! Sorry about that. Alright, so, I'm this Eevee piece on the Squirtle,
and the Bulbasaur, because I like Bulbasaur. And I'm Charmander.
Wait, I just realized no one picked Pikachu?
Nah.
Alright, here we go. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Venomoth. I won't buy. Alright. Alright, I believe it's my turn. Come on, Squirtle. We can do it. Come on, Doolies. 9. Oh, I'm over here. Oh, get your money out of the way, music. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I got the red. I got the trainer battle. What is it? Defeat a Magnemite, collect 10. Alright, put that at the bottom. Oh, that's not the bottom. Alright. Let me get you 10. There you go, Crash. There it is. Thank you. Alright, I believe it's your turn, huh, kid? Alright, Bulbasaur, let's do this. Heck yeah. 6. Oh, that's a double. I get to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Horsey. I won't buy. But I'm going again. Uh-oh, I got another double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops. 9, 10, 11, 12. Kadabra. No thanks. If I get one more double, I'll go to jail. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I accidentally hit you. Growlithe, 300. I would like to purchase. Growlithe, please. Alright. Let me do it. Alright, let me just find Growlithe in this deck. Oh, there he is. There's Growlithe. There you go, Hackett. I've been playing for a few minutes and I'm already not liking this. Ugh. It's been a while since I've played Monopoly. My turn! Alt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, Ludo King! Well, I don't think I'll buy. What? What's wrong with you? I don't feel like getting that right off the bat, even if someone else gets it. You're odd. Alright, my turn. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yes! Trainer battle. Prepare to challenge the Elite Four for each Pokemon. Pay 40 for each Pokemon Center. Pay 115. Well, no one's got any of that, so that's a useless one. Oh well. Crash, your turn. Alright, mates. Here we go. 5. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! I got Oak. Advance to Sabrina's Venomoth. If you pass go, collect 200. Sabrina's Venomoth. Where would that be? I think... Oh, hang on. Where am I? Right. Oh! I don't pass go. It was 2 spaces in front of me. Oh, I'm not buying it now. The hell are you guys doing? Oh, playing Monopoly. It was Mewtwo's idea. I was only going to play if we played the Pokemon one. Ah, which we've had for many years. Yes. Alright, well, whose turn is it? It's just become Hat Kids. Alright. Yeah. 9. No, 11. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo! Come on, Yamper. Let's see what I get. This game sucks. Oh, what was it? Go to jail. Ugh. Damn it. Oh. That's what I get for getting Growlithe. Oh dear. Alright. Whose turn is it now? Mine. Oh, I got doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will not get the Pokeball, but I will take my $200 for passing go. Here you go. You guys seem to save money a lot. This is not how you really play the game. It's called strategizing. I'm thinking of a strategy. Alright, my turn. Alright. Oh, wait, no. It's yours, Yoshi, because you didn't roll the double. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, I rolled another one. Horsey. No, I won't buy.
Don't let me in jail. Don't let me in jail. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the bars? No thanks. Don't worry. I got the best move. Watch this. 6. I will buy the Nido King. Alright, I think that's enough. Guys, I think just pack it away. We got something to talk about. Well, we were just getting started. I don't care. Put it away. We got some shit to do. Sorry, guys. Alright, who collected the most money? Ugh. So, Woody, why did you drag us out of our Monopoly game? I'm afraid I've got some bad news. Oh no. Let me guess, Toad's escaped again? Again? What do you mean, again? I don't know. Hasn't he escaped many times? Yes, but this is super maximum security he's in. He can't escape. And no, he is not. I've got my most trusted man guarding him. Huh. So, what is it? I can't seem to find a Foy Coco plush anywhere. What do you mean? Well, that's only one of the bad things I have to say. I've been trying to find us a Foy Coco plush for God knows how long. Ever since we were definitely going to do a season 3 and we wanted to change the starters, Foy Coco is going to be one of them. I can't find a goddamn plush of him. What are we going to do? Well, obviously, we'll have to resort to ordering it online. Either that, or a friend of ours can order it for us for Christmas, because at the moment, we suck with money. Yeah, it may look like we don't, but we don't get our own money. Most of us would be parents' money, friends' money, not in like such a super bad way. It's like a winning thing, I think. I don't know. You were definitely ordered because you were hat kid. Oh, there's an alarm going off. Oh. Oh, they have that tablet. Yeah, but that's not the only bad thing. I can't seem to find the other Luigi. What other Luigi? The figure. The Mario movie figure Luigi that we have. He's not there. What do you mean he's not there? Just take a look for yourself. Huh? He's not on the shelf. Where'd he go? I don't know, but I feel like something mysterious is happening and I'm getting quite scared. Whoa. It's definitely something worth dragging away from our Monopoly game, but why pack it up? Because I'm not having you all screaming and getting angry at Monopoly. Especially you, Hack Kid. Last time you played, you were so angry. Hey, I literally just went to jail in that game. That was only the beginning. Now, mate, you gotta be a bit careful. Oh, what's going on? I'm afraid. Oh my god. Look. Star. Where have you been? Crushed under the plate. Yeah, anyway, aside from us being rudely interrupted just there, it's been a while since we last saw Star, and that's one good thing to come out of this, because I feel like something's lurking around. But they only took... Oh, sorry I'm late. What's going on? Well, the movie Luigi's figure just went missing. What? It could just be on a wall. Do you really ever see it? You okay? Sorry, I've been sick. Have you guys been sick? No? Have you? I am sick. Anyway, do you guys even see any of them moving off that shelf? Over every now and then? God damn it, Cat! Cat wants to come in. He's not allowed to. Yes, we know. But what makes you think something's lurking around? Well, figure Luigi was only a start. There's something going on. We better find out before even more go missing. It is true, we should be on alert. Usually when we're not on alert, something happens. Oh man, that was such a good power nap. What's going on? Figure Luigi's missing, and there's been another few things going on too. Yeah. Oh dear. I hope I don't go missing. You wouldn't go missing if you were still an amoeba. Look at the size of you. What's that supposed to mean? Zoe, he's not calling us fat. I mean, we did get such a big upgrade. Look at us. Look at us. Look at us. So, what do? I say we have to have people on alert just in case more go missing. I mean, we've already lost Social Distancing Monkey. We don't know where the hell he is. Presumably stuck somewhere, lost, or dead. And I'm really hoping it's not dead. I guess I'll just stay on each night guard. I mean, I don't really get that much sleep. And do I even need to sleep? I'm Mewtwo, for fuck's sake. I guess that's a reasonable thing. Alright, you go do that. Alright. I'll let you know if I find anything suspicious. Didn't even go that far. Ah. Oh no. I pressed A on the controller. I was playing Smash Bros. Not yet, Grookey. Yeah. So, if there is something lurking around, what the hell would it be? Possibly a bad guy, a villain, or just someone playing pranks. Where's the headphones here? Let's move those. Oh, something tells me something's coming. You're just saying that to be cool. Yes, I know. I know something that is gonna be cool. The goddamn 5 Nights at Freddy's movie. When are you getting tickets? I don't know. I'll let you know when I get the tickets, but it won't be today. It'll be when it's closer to the date. Because, you know, it's best if we do it there. What if the tickets sell out? Name one time the tickets have sold out. I mean, I guess each movie we've seen, from the first Sonic movie to possibly this one, tickets haven't sold out. Exactly. Let's hope it doesn't happen with this one. Ugh, too excited for it. Ugh. I was thinking, who wants to go see it? Well, I definitely do. And so does Luigi. Foxy, obviously. You're gonna go, so I say you take Crash and Social Distancing Monkey's cousin, because I don't think he's going to see a movie in the theaters. Oh, I'd love to go see that movie. That's good. Then it's settled. Who's cheering out there? Most likely football or something. We're not a football kind of guy. Yeah, definitely not. I still feel like something's gonna go wrong. Well, let's hope we're prepared for it then. Anyway, it's getting late. I think it's time we hit the hay. Well, I'm gonna stay up a little bit. I wanna check on some stuff. You'll do that.
What now? You're only the first of many Luigi's. Going to the movies, are they? Well, we'll just have to see about that. I said quiet.